Welcome to Martin Kamal Official 0706670374.
Hello guys, karibu tena to Martinez Kamau or the instructor Martin. So today leo nataka niwafunze how to reverse a manual vehicle and how to engage a manual gear vehicle in a smooth manner. So hoping you are able to see my gear level is here. So this is how we engage gears. So gear number 1, you have to pull, to push your gear level on the left hand side, then you pull it up. That's gear number 1. Gear number 2, on the same side you pull it down. That's number 2. Number 3, just release your hand to be free and push it up, so like that. So that's gear number 3. Gear number 4, pull it down smoothly too. Don't push either left or side, so you pull it down. That's gear number 4. And gear number 5, you have to engage your neutral gear, then you put it on your side, or that is on the right hand side, then up. That's gear number 5. Then the reverse, ensure your gear is at neutral position, push it on your side, then downward. That is the reverse gear. Now I want us to check on how to reverse our vehicle. You have to check your side mirrors carefully and see if you are able to
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too.
If you'll be able to see the vehicles behind you, that is the correct position. So first of all, we are going to start our vehicle. You have to engage the clutch, or you hold your clutch tightly. You start the engine. Yeah, my vehicle have started the engine. So I'll engage reverse gear. Good. Then I have my handbrake gear down. I'll put my handbrake down. And now I will release the clutch pedal smoothly until the vehicle starts to move backward. As if you can check the vehicle outside, you'll see us moving backward. So guys, the next video that I'll show you, it's on how to start a heavy vehicle or a heavy commercial vehicle, and that is the next video that I'm going to post for you. So guys, I love you much, and for anyone with a question, just DM me there down, or contact me, or just inbox me on my WhatsApp. My number is there down, or you can follow me also on Facebook, that is Martin Gap TV. Please like, subscribe on the YouTube channel Martin Kamau Official, and may God bless you much.
True Blue Insurance Agency provides you with insurance at affordable price. Call 0706670374 to have the insurance, comprehensive or third party either. True Blue Best Partner.